Hey everyone, I made it into Costco, so I am in the business center. So right here you get two 18-pound bags for $24.69. They have the canopy kit, which is like right here. I'll show you in a minute. But here's all the prices for charcoal if you're doing any grilling. That El Diablo one, the 40-pound for $19 is a really great deal, honestly. So here's what it looks like. I talked about this before. We kind of go to this one for grilling. Again, they're like big like lumps, so you will have to like break it down. But yeah, this is like it works really good. And if you're looking for like lighter fluid, it's gonna be $11.49 for two 64-ounce bottles. So here is the canopy that it looks like for $219. Now if you're needing help carrying stuff in, moving, look, she's putting her water totes on, up to 300 pounds for $59.99. Your limit is 5, and this one ends on the 12th of March. So right here we have the grill brick. They're cleaning bricks. They're going to be $24 and you will get 12. And $700 for the commercial one. Stainless steel. Now the commercial cast iron extra burner is going to be $130. A 4-slot commercial toaster, $130. Okay, if you want a slicer, reminds me of that one episode of Seinfeld. It's gonna be $1,000. Now over here we have a 14-piece set, mixing bowl with lids. You get 14 pieces in here for $28. I don't think I've seen this one here, but they do have one with gray, and if you're wanting blue, they also have like the blue lid. Now on top, these are the stainless steel bowls, 13 quart for $4.69. So if you're gonna make wings, you're doing some tossing and turning on salad, $4.69. The electric water kettle is $18. So it looks like, and only $13.99. You will get 3 baking sheets. $29.99. Food pan with the lid, and of course you will get 3 in here. And then next to me it's going to be $14.49. Another 3-pack. And $12.99. A 2-quart storage container. These are made in the US, it says. And only $100. Stainless steel, heavyweight, you know, it's polished. It's an 8-quart. Maybe if you're doing brunch, if you don't have a business or something, you know, a big Mother's Day brunch, Easter. Now these are a little different. 2-quart, BPA free. They're only $20. And now this one's gonna have the green lid on it. I mean, there's so many options to choose from. Now this one's kind of cool. It's an insulated carrier. So $59.99. It is dishwasher safe. Holds, you know, hot and cold food up to 4 hours. Oh, here's what it looks like. There we go. Look at her just carry that like nothing. Yeah, I got tons of cold food in here. And the stock pot is going to be $59.99, and that is a 50 quart. And over here is a $25.99 for the frying pan. And $35 for the 10-inch saute, and of course you get 2. And $27 for the 12. If you're needing a little cart, a chrome cart is going to be $75. It is a 3-tiered. Here's what it looks like. Look, they have one with a baking sheet already on it for you. A prep table is $160. And you can adjust the height, which is kind of cool actually. And then next to me is going to be $100. It's a little smaller one. 200-pound weight capacity. $900. We have a generator. Okay, and it runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, electric or recoil start. The cover is included. 12-hour run time. There we go. It's huge. A nice patio heater is $160. You can also find this one in your regular Costco as well. So I haven't seen this one here. It's going to be $100. The janitorial, you know, cart with a bag. You know what? Every now and then they get some pretty interesting new items in the business center. Sometimes everything stays the same. But look at 3-floor signs for $20. And $82.99. Again, we could find this one in your regular Costco. Right now, I think they're even running like a little mini 2-pack deal, like for room, office, or bathroom. 47-liter, $83. It amazes me as you get older, trash cans are so expensive. I actually need a new one for the kitchen because mine is just gross. Now on this side, we're just getting into like cleaning stuff. But look, $8.99 for 18-inch microfiber mop, like, you know, refills. They're only $9. And of course you get 3 in here. Next to me is going to be $12.99 for the blue dust mop. And you get 2. They're 24-inch. You need a larger one. The cotton wet mop refill pack is $13.89 for the blue. Now this one is $9.49. The 4-ply cotton wet one, and you get 3. And $21 for the 18-inch. The frame, you do get 1 microfiber. And then next to me is going to be $18 for the wet mop kit. And only $13.49 for the 24-inch push broom. I actually need one. A rotating heavy duty. And $10.99. I haven't seen these in a long time. My grandma used to have one of these corn broom ones. $10.99 here. And then next to me another broom. They're going to be $14.49. So you will get 20 for $8. $11.49. We have stainless and granite cleaner. Oh wow. You get 152 for 20. I don't think I've seen this one in my regular Costco. 852 count for $29.69. Oh, here's a soap refill. The foam one is $17. So what's really neat, they do have samples out, like, you know, plain brown bags. Here's a white bag. just so you get an idea of like the quality. The handles are going to be different. That's kind of cool that they have that. These are like, you know, the thank you very much. Thank you for coming to Filiberto's. These are 20. I always see tons of people like filling up on like bags and food prep, and I always want to ask them like, oh, what's their business? You know, like, I don't know, I was just kind of curious because I'm watching them just buy everything that they need for it. What is this one? Pastry sandwich bags. These are 50 and you get 2,000 in here. Well, that's kind of cool. Forks, $13.49. I say get them here than your regular Costco. You get 500 for $13.49. I believe there's one for like 1,000. You get 1,000. Summer's coming, spring break. You don't want to wash the dishes, or your kids are not doing it. And like paper plates, I honestly feel like they're the same price in your regular Costco. You know, they're pretty much almost like $19 to $20. You get 240. This one might be a little bigger though, $17.89 for 200. And I think this might be it for like this part of the business center, you guys. Like the cups, $15.99 for 12-ounce hot cups with a lid. You get 100, and then 17 over here, 160. And it looks like everything against the wall is like fork spoons, I want to say. Yeah, medium fork white, you get 1,000 for $7. You know, like your white plastic one. This over here I haven't seen. $17.49. Oh, you get the silver 3-piece 30 count. Okay, are these plastic? I think they might be a plastic, but they're already folded up for you in the napkin. You get the fork, knife, spoon, and a napkin. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Yeah, here's a spoon, 7 for 1,000. So those are plastic, right?
Yeah, the forks and knives and stuff.